Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the phone and protector. Clean with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth, then remove all dust with a sticker. Once done, align the hydrogel to the camera and edge cutouts. Use a guide frame or small strips of tape to hold it steady so you don't have to recenter. Next, peel the backing slowly to expose the adhesive, keeping the sticky side facing down, and move immediately to position. This minimizes dust attraction and ensures an accurate first placement. You now focus on bonding and bubble removal. Start in the center and press outward with a soft squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber to push air toward the edges. This evenly transfers adhesive contact. If a large area misaligned, lift a corner slightly and reseat rather than stretching the hydrogel, because stretching can distort fit and create gaps. Between strokes, make sure to check cutouts and edges, and repeat gentle passes until the protector lies flat and uniformly adhered. You finish by inspecting edges and optical clarity, pressing down any remaining edges and using low heat from a hairdryer held 10 to 15 cm away to help the hydrogel relax and self-heal. Make sure not to overheat. Brief passes are enough. If small bubbles persist, lift the nearest edge gently, remove the dust with a sticker, then reapply and squeegee outward. One key troubleshooting tip. For stubborn trapped particles, lift. Remove the particle with a dust sticker, then reseat. Don't rub the adhesive surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.